Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ayman and in today's video I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to change header menu font size on your Shopify store. When you want to change font size in Shopify, then we first log into our Shopify store. Then we go to customize option from the online store. Then we go to settings from the left side. Then go to typography. And from here basically we change font name and font size, but here we don't have the option to change the font size just for the header menu. So if you increase the font size here, it will increase menu font size as well as increasing the whole store body font, which we don't want. So today's video I will show you how to change font size for only header menu. So without any more talking, let's just jump to start. As you can see, I am currently in the Shopify admin dashboard. So for do this, click on the online store, then click on three dot option, then click on edit code, then click on search filter and search here base.css, then click on this base.css and scroll down to the end, and that's the code which we will be using, and I will provide the code in the video description. You just need to copy the code and paste it where I am going to show you. I will copy this code and go back to our previous tab. Before pasting the code, I will open our website in a new tab so we can compare before and after to see if the menu font size has changed. Now paste this code at the bottom of the ends and then click this previous button and see if the font size has changed. We can compare now. It's our previous menu font size and it's our present font menu size after using the code, and it has changed. Here the font size I have kept is 20 pixels. Replace the number of pixels which you want to increase the font size here. Like if you want your font size will be 25 pixels, then just type here 25, then save it, then preview it in your store and you will see that your font size has increased. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. If the video is useful to you, like the video and share your opinion in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.